Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, we have given one figure and we have to find the cost of tacos. Here, we have given cost of apple plus ice cream plus tacos plus tea is $61. Suppose this is first. Then apple plus ice cream plus tacos is $41. Then ice cream plus tea is $53. And then apple plus apple is $22. Now from 4, here apple, cost of 2 apples is 22. So cost of 1 apple will be $11. Now from 2, we can write here cost of apple is $11. So ice cream plus cost of ice cream plus cost of tacos is 41 minus $11. That is $30. Suppose this is fifth. Now from 1, tea will be $61 minus $30 minus $11. So it is $61 minus $41, that is $20. So cost of tea is $20. Now from 3, cost of ice cream will be $53 minus T plus T means 20 plus $20, that is $40. So $53 minus $40 will be $13. Now here from 5, we can check cost of tacos will be $30 minus $13, that is $17. Hence cost of tacos is $17.